Hey people, so we are at this place called Food Stories, and if you were to take a look, there is quite today is like a food tasting event, and I'm so grateful to be here because basically my sister was invited, and then I'm also part of the, I'm so happy to be here. And if you were to take a look, it's quite a huge, nice place. So this was the entrance, and this is how. I wish I had brought my kid along. So yeah, so this is for food tasting, and if you were to take a look. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. Quite a variety here. Glad. So this is Food Stories, and if we were to take a look, strawberry danish, tart. Yeah, this is how it looks, and this is right next to Park Hyatt in Hyderabad. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.